Going on, guys? Hey, so today, one thing I'm gonna want to do to the Supra is clean the headlights out. When I got them, the headlights were a little bit foggy, so I went out and just bought this NuLens kit. It's a headlight renewal kit, and what it comes with is it comes with a couple sanding pads. So it comes with two 800 grit pads. Two 1500 grit pads, and then a 3000 grit pad. It also comes with the backing, so you can put them on and screw this into your drill. Then it comes with a like a foam ball as well for all the polish. So essentially, what it is, you essentially just water down the headlights. Go over the headlights with the lower grit at the 800, and then work up to the 1500, then the 3000, and then polish it with the brush. Here's the polish here, and essentially it's supposed to get out all the fog. What it is over time the sun just eats away at the plastic and it starts to deteriorate and gets all fucking nasty. So these aren't too bad. So I may just start with the 3000 grit, go over that a little bit, and if it doesn't work out, then go lower. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So it may not look too bad in the video, but if you actually see it up close, you can definitely see a little bit of fog. Some of the pictures that I have, you can definitely see it. So what I did, I just went ahead and masked it off. Obviously, don't want to get any of the paint with the sandpaper. So I just taped it off, and so I'll go ahead and go over it with some water, and we'll see how it works out. Not staying at all hopeful. I think it may be the inside of the lens. We'll see. I'll polish it up and see what it does. Stand corrected. The polish did a pretty good job. Let's move on to the next. So all in all, was I impressed with this? Yeah, I'd say I would be. My right headlight was a little bit foggier than my left. I think it's more so due to the inside of it. The outside's pretty clean, and all the yellow dry rot kind of came off. So I think it's more on the inside. So it is what it is. Like I said, it's the NuLens restoration kit. I believe it was like 25 bucks. I went to AutoZone, I think, or maybe O'Reilly's or something like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below. And take care, and I'll talk to you guys soon.